Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time checking it out. I hope you guys are ready for another great week of deals at Kroger. We have a new 5-time digital coupon event. It may be spring break for most this week, but you're definitely not going to want to take a break from the Kroger deals. Sorry y'all, I had to do it. Let me not quit my day job and show you guys the deals for this week. We're starting off with our weekly digital deals this week. There were no sale deals that I thought were just spectacular. So for our first weekly digital deal, we have the half gallon of milk that is regular $1.89, and with the weekly digital deal coupon, there are going to be just $1.19. As a reminder, weekly digital deal coupons do have a limit of 5, so you can grab up to 5 of these in a single transaction for that $1.19 net price. The next cheapest competitor is Aldi, and their gallon is the cheapest, but if you split that in half, you'd come out to roughly $1.53 for the half gallon jug of milk. Next, we have our Dove hairstyling products. Now, these are regular $7.99, on sale for $5.49, and a weekly digital deal, making them $4.99. Also, just as another quick reminder, when it comes to weekly digital deals, that you must clip the corresponding digital coupon found in the Kroger app in order to score the items for that price. Also, weekly digital deal coupons are store coupons, so we can also combine them with manufacturer digital coupons. In addition to the weekly digital deal coupon, we do have a $2 digital manufacturer coupon, which will make one of these just $2.99. We also have the Dove Mint Plus Care deodorant that's regular $7.99, but it is a weekly digital deal, making it $5.99. Again, that $5.99 coupon is a store coupon, so we're going to combine it with the $2 off digital coupon found in the Kroger app. This $2 manufacturer coupon is expiring in the next few days, so it may or may not be available to still clip. If you have it or able to clip it, your final net total for one deodorant will be just $3.99. Y'all, these Kroger shrimp platters are normally $8.99, but they are on sale for $4.99 and part of the weekly digital deals, making them $3.99. This is an 11-ounce platter, and the next cheapest competitor is H-E-B, where this would be $6.58 for 11 ounces of shrimp. For our next deal, you want to grab 3 4-packs of the Muscle Milk Protein Shakes. They are on sale for $7.99 and a weekly digital deal, making each one $5.99 each. You'll go ahead and pay the $17.97 out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $3 back for purchasing 3. You'll also want to take your receipt and submit it to ShopMium, where you will also get back $3 for purchasing 3. That makes your final net total for all 3 packs $11.97 or $3.99 each. That's right at $1 per protein shake. If you're not currently saving with Ibotta, I do have a link down in the description below where you can sign up, and when you sign up, you will unlock a $5 welcome bonus. Snow crab clusters are back as a weekly digital deal again. They're regular $19.98 for the 2-pound box. However, you're going to get $2 off per pound, leaving you to pay $15.98 out of pocket with that digital coupon. There are also weekly digital deal coupons for a variety of the sizes of crab cluster boxes, so just make sure you're clipping the corresponding coupon to go with the size box of crab that you purchase. 2 pounds of crab would run you $19.98 at the next cheapest competitor, which is Sam's Club. I mentioned at the start of this video that a 5-time digital coupon event has started today, and what that is basically a digital coupon can work up to 5 times in a single transaction. So as the first example, you can get 5 boxes of these Cousin Willie's popcorn. They're on sale 4 for $5, and $1 will come off of each box, making each box just 25 cents. The coupon can be used up to 5 times in a single transaction, and then it can be used again in another transaction. So keep that in mind. Next, the Kroger Big Wheel ice cream sandwiches, the cookies and cream variety, is on sale 2 for $3, so $1.50 each. We have a 5-time digital coupon in the Kroger app for $1 off, which will make each box of ice cream sandwiches just 50 cents. The same thing goes for the CTO coconut water. It is on sale for $1.99, and we have a 5-time digital coupon in the Kroger app for $1 off, making each can of coconut water just 99 cents. I want to preface this next deal by saying it is not the best deal for chicken. However, I think it is a good deal for convenience. These John Souls pack of chicken are on sale for $3.99, and there is a 5-time digital coupon for $2 off of each bag. That makes the 6-ounce pack of chicken $1.99. I think this would be great to like grab and go or maybe throw on top of a salad. You're definitely going to want to look for clearance Tide Pods at your store, specifically the Tide Light Pods. My store showed that they were on clearance for $10.39. I didn't see any on the shelves. However, I always know to check the Sky shelves, and when I turned this one around, look what I found. It's $10.39, and in the Kroger app, we have a $3 5-time digital coupon, and just like the weekly digital deals, these coupons are store coupons. So since this is a store coupon, I can combine it with a digital manufacturer offer. We also have a $4 coupon available in the Kroger app, so that's a total of $7 coming off $10.39, making our final net total for the Tide Pods $3.39. Now let's move on to some straight coupon and rebate deals. For the first one, you want to go to the checkout lanes and look for the 28-piece of Mentos Pure Fresh Gum. They're regular $2.99, but they are on sale 2 for $4, so one pack is $2. You want to scan it on the ShopKick app for 10 kicks and then submit your receipt to ShopKick for an additional 250 kicks or $1 back. You're also going to want to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for 50 cents back. So after paying $2 out of pocket and getting back $1.54 between rebates, your final net total is just 46 cents. These General Mills loaded cereals are $5.99 each, and they are instant savings. When you buy 2, you're going to get 3 free. So there's no coupon that you need to clip to get that instant savings. However, we do also have a $1 off 2 General Mills cereal coupon in the Kroger app. Go ahead and clip that. You'll grab 5 boxes, and then at checkout, that dollar coupon will apply. Plus, for buying 2, you're going to get 3 free. So once it's all said and done, you'll pay $10.98 out of pocket. You're then going to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1.50 back for each box for a total of $7.50. Finally, you're going to submit your receipt to ShopMeum for $1 back for purchasing 2 boxes of the cereal, and this is going to be for 2 of the boxes that the digital coupon did not apply to. After all of the savings, your final net total for all 5 boxes is $2.48, or roughly 50 cents a box. This Silk Protein Oat Milk, it's not on sale or anything like that, but it is $4.29, and under a Kroger Cashback account, we have a $1.75 offer. You'll go ahead and clip that coupon under Kroger Cashback, pay the $4.29 out of pocket, and then within the next week, your Kroger Cashback account should be credited the money. You can also take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1.75 back as well. That makes your final net total for the Silk Milk just 79 cents. Both Kroger Cashback and Ibotta have a limit of 5 for their offers, so you can grab up to 5 of these for that 79-cent net total. I wanted to share this deal as kind of like a filler for some Easter baskets potentially. It's not marked at my store, but these Toffee candies are on sale 2 for $5. So you can grab 2, pay the $5 out of pocket, and then take your receipt and submit it to Swag Bucks, where you can get back 300 Swag Bucks or $3 for purchasing 2. That makes your final net total $2 for both, or just $1 a piece. The Swag Bucks offer has a limit of 2, so you can grab up to 4 boxes in a single transaction and get back $6, still making all boxes just $1 a piece. We use the same rebate apps in almost every video, so if you're not signed up for apps like ShopKick or Swag Bucks, just like Ibotta, I have the links down in the description below for you to sign up, and you will get a welcome bonus. Kate's Real Food Bars are regular $2.49, but they are on sale 2 for $4. And we have an Ibotta rebate for $1 back per bar. So you can grab up to 5 bars for $2 a piece out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for that $1 back, making your final net total per bar just $1. The Blue Diamond Almond Breeze Almond and Oat Milk is on sale for $2.99. You'll pay that out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1.50 back. That makes your final net total for the milk just $1.49. The Ibotta rebate does have a limit of 5, so you can grab up to 5 in a single transaction for that $1.49 net total. Rounding out our coupon and rebate deals, we have this Splenda Zero Calorie Sweetener. It is $8.99 per pack, but it is on instant savings, buy one, get one free. So you'll pick up 2 packs, pay $8.99 out of pocket, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2.50 back for each bag for a total of $5. That makes your final net total for both $3.99, or roughly $2 a piece. We're going to move right on down the aisle here to kick off our clearance deals. The first one is for this Splenda Magic Baker. It's a 0-calorie sweetener. This one right here is on clearance for $6.29. And they are also on promotion, buy one, get one free. So you'd pay $6.29 out of pocket for two, but then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2.50 back for a total of $5. That makes your final net total for both $1.29 or roughly 65 cents a piece. I don't know about y'all, but I feel like my clearance section at my store has been dry, but I did find 3 of these Garnier Fructis hair filler shampoos and conditioners. They were all marked down to $4.93. 3 of these run for $14.79 out of pocket, but then I took my receipt to Ibotta and got back $9.99. That made my final net total for all 3 $4.80 for basically $30 worth of shampoo and conditioner. Last but not least, the Starbucks Triple Shot Energy Coffees were on clearance for $1.99, and we have a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making each one just 99 cents with a limit of 5. That's going to do it for this week's Kroger haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your spring break, if you are in fact on spring break, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.